and a shocking incident of brutality against women and minors. A minor girl studying in +2 was set ablaze by unknown miscreants. 3 miscreants set her on fire on Saturday morning in the Balanga Baibara area under Balanga police limits of Puri district. This is the case that has been reported from Odisha, a recent one. According to the information, 3 miscreants set the girl on fire when she was walking to her friend's house. The miscreants fled the scene after setting her on fire. For viewers' discretion, we had to blur out the visuals of the girl. She has sustained 35% of burn marks on her body. The locals doused the fire and rushed the girl to the hospital in Bhubaneswar. The Balanga police reached the spot and started an investigation into the matter. Remember, this comes days after a student self-immolated in Fakir Mohan Autonomous College in Balasore. We have been discussing the developments every day of that case, only to know a new case being reported from different part of the same state. Odisha's Deputy Chief Minister Pravati Parida reacted on the tragic news and said a strong action will be taken against the culprits. Let me also read out the statement that has been issued by the Deputy Chief Minister. It's written, I am saddened and shocked to hear the news of a 15-year-old girl was set on fire by some miscreants on the road in Balanga. She further added that the girl has been immediately shifted to AIIMS Hospital of Bhubaneswar and all the arrangements are being made for her treatment. All the expenses of the treatment will be borne by the government. The police administration has been directed to arrest the culprit immediately and take a strong action. My colleague Subrat Das is joining us on the phone line. सुब्रत, अभी बस हम बालासोर का केस डिस्कस ही कर रहे थे। कुछ नई घटनाएं सामने आ ही रही थी इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बारे में और ये एक नया केस निकल के सामने आया है बालंगड़ से।
जी, ये बालेश्वर की घटना लोगों के मन से नहीं गया। फिर अभी जो आज जो पुरी में एक इंसिडेंट हुआ है जो कि डेप्यूटी सीएम प्रभाती परिडा का कंस्टिट्यूएंसी के अंदर आता है। जो 15 साल का जो गर्ल्स ने वो जा रहा था किस जगह, एक घर से निकल के जो सोर्सेस से जानकारी मिल रहा है कुछ बुक्स लेके दोस्त के घर जा रहा था। तो फिर वहाँ 3 लड़कों ने आके उसका मुंह में कुछ कपड़ा बांध दे के कुछ कैनाल के साइड में लेके चले गए और वहाँ उसको पेट्रोल डाल के आग जलाने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे थे। तो उसका कुछ बॉडी का कुछ पार्ट बर्निंग भी हो गया था, लेकिन वो जैसे चिल्लाने लगा तो फिर आसपास के लोग तुरंत आ गए और तीनों कल्प्रिट वहां जो थे वो तुरंत भाग के चले गए। तो लोगों ने उसको उद्धार करके तुरंत उस नियरेस्ट प्राइमरी ट्रीटमेंट के लिए हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट किए और उसके बाद वहां से डॉक्टर ने उनको एम्स भुवनेश्वर के लिए शिफ्ट करवा दिया। और इम्पोर्टेंट अपडेट आपको मैं देना चाहूंगा, साइंटिफिक टीम भी अभी जो जिस प्लेस पे हादसा हुआ था उस प्लेस पे पहुंच गया है और इन्वेस्टिगेशन भी शुरू कर दिया है। और डेप्यूटी सीएम यहाँ पे भी एक निर्देश दिए है कि जो भी कल्प्रिट है उनको पकड़ा जाएगा और तुरंत उनको पनिश्ड भी किया जाएगा और जो भी खर्च होगा तो वो खर्च भी उड़ीसा सरकार भी वहन करेगी।
जी सुब्रत, हमें बताइए कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन में क्या ये सामने आया है कि क्या ये जो 3 लड़के हैं जिनकी खबर सामने निकल के आ रही है कि इन्होंने उस लड़की को आग लगाने की कोशिश करी, क्या ये पहले से उसका पीछा कर रहे थे, क्या उसे परेशान करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे?
देखिए, इसका जानकारी तो अभी तक पुलिस ने कुछ ऑफिशियल इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर नहीं किया है। जैसे भी कुछ ऑफिशियल इंफॉर्मेशन आएगा हम हमारे व्यूअर को अपडेट देंगे, क्योंकि जो अकॉर्डिंग टू सोर्सेस एंड जो प्रत्यक्षदर्शी जैसे बता रहे हैं कि वो तीनों।
सुब्रत, माफी चाहती हूँ आपको बीच में रोकने के लिए। आई एम बीइंग जॉइंड बाय कांग्रेस से सोफिया फिरदौस हियर। सोफिया, अ कपल ऑफ डेज अगो वी वर डिस्कसिंग व्हाट happened, the tragic incident of self-immolation by a student there at FM Autonomous College. Today we have been given to understand that 3 unidentified miscreants tried setting a girl on fire in Balangar. What do you have to say about law and order of the state?
See, this is the clear, we can see the clear real picture of our state of the last 1 year where there has been deteriorating law and order and there is no fear amongst the miscreants. This constituency belongs to the Deputy Chief Minister, who is the woman herself. And despite being from that constituency, if such an incident is happening there, means definitely there is no fear amongst the miscreants, which we have been crying time and again. So there needs to be stringent laws enforced. There needs to be strict punishment, which has to be publicized so that the miscreants and and everybody will know that if they do these kind of crimes, then they will be punished harshly. As well as there were a lot of suggestions given in the earlier Vidhan Sabha as well, as formation of House Committee, also installing many CCTV cameras across all the campuses, mandating installation of cameras outside offices and commercial establishments. So there is a lot of things to be done, and I really don't understand why the government is not actually taking visible action despite these kind of incidents happening every day or the other.
In this case, Sophia, what's your suggestion? What should be done next? Because the poor girl, she has already sustained 35% of burn marks on her body.
See, the miscreants have to be arrested, and who all are responsible for this. A strict punishment, like I told you, a very, very harsh punishment needs to be given to them. The fast track court has to act properly. The charge sheet and the fast track court needs to give its verdict quickly, so that accordingly the government and accordingly the department can take action, and accordingly, people will get to know that if they do these kind of activities, then they will be punished harshly. So this is the main problem in the last 13 months. None of the accused have been punished. Nobody knows what has happened after being arrested, and then they get out on the bail. So there has to be a strict enforcement of the, law and order in the state, which has to be visible, and the fear factor has to be there amongst the people. Now there is no fear amongst the common people, and they do these kind of illegal activities continuously.
And Sophia, a couple of days ago, we also saw your party, including the other opposition political parties of the state of Odisha, coming out on roads protesting, demanding the justice for the student of FM, Autonomous College. In this case, will you guys be, taking it a notch higher? Will you be asking justice for this poor girl as well?
We have been continuously. Yes, we have been. Congress is the only party that has been pursuing and that has been exposing the government's loopholes since the month of February, since we got the reports in our hand that the cases against women, crimes against women and rape cases are going up in the state. And definitely our fight will continue till all the women get justice, till the state government is forced to take action and ensure that the environment becomes safe for all the women in the state.